a new folder. We'll call this 10.1.22. Enter. Open that folder. Bring over a few of these files in here. That. And then we will open up Visual Studio Code. Folder. Click on that one. Open. Double click on that. It's discovering the Python interface. Discovering Python interpreters here. I'm going to go to terminal, go to new terminal. You can see that it brings you to October 1, 22. So you type on Python 3-m virtual environment. And we'll call it norm demo environment. We'll hit enter. And you see that shows it right there. That. And then you're going to activate this. So source space users /me /desktop /10-1-22 /demo environment /game/activate. We'll hit enter. And so you can see that the norm demo environment is what's being shown here. And then from there, you'll install pip3 install pandas. And then pip3 install openpyxl. If you do Shift-Control-P, Shift-Command-P, and select Python interpreter. This is what I selected. And then you're going to run the Python file. You can see outerjoy.csv.